next we come to what is a column. Okay, so this vertical stack that you can see which is highlighted, it's a column. D, this is a column. F, this is a column. Also, you can select the multiple column as well with the help of the key shift key, and with the arrow key you can select the multiple column. Alright, so this is a column. Now what is a row? Okay, so the horizontal stack of data is called a row. 5, this is a row. 7, this is a row. Okay, also you can select the multiple row with the help of key shift and the arrow key, down arrow key, and shift with the shift and the up arrow key, shift and the down arrow key. You can select the multiple row with the help of shift and arrows key. Okay, there is also a shortcut keys I'm gonna to tell you. You can select the row and the column, with the help of the keyboards, with the help of the key, basically key. So control space, remember, control space would select the column, and shift space would select the row. Shift and space would select the column, and control plus space would select the control plus space would select the column, and shift plus space would select the row. Shift and space pressed together will select the column. Okay, press together, remember, press together. Shift and space press together will select the column, and control plus space press together will select the row. You can also insert a column.